Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Glenfiddich. Whiskey is manufactured here in this factory and this is the final process. Do see my full video of how whiskey is prepared in Glenfiddich factory, this factory, and you will see the full process of manufacturing it. This Glenfiddich factory area is very beautiful, as you can see. Now I am taking you to the sitting area where they give the sample of whiskey to taste to all the visitors who buy the tickets to see this factory. This is the parking area outside the factory. After the Glenfiddich factory, now we are in the city. This is all Scotland and we are traveling to some other place in Scotland, which I'll be soon sharing that place travel also. And on the way you can see the beautiful buildings, architecture here in Scotland. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on travel and art, and do see my full videos of travel places. Keep watching. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.